What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Yes, sir. But y'all see, I got Dolo muffin cap peeled back, man. I got the cover peeled back. Like I've been telling y'all for 2-3 days, however many days, man. I don't know. I said I'm finna diagnose this joker, man, cause I'm going something today. I'm finna get what I need, man. But I think the problem is, trying to make some boy, y'all know I've been looking on the hill, boy. I'm looking for him. I'm looking for Wild Lee. But I think the problem is it need a fuel filter in it. Sometimes it's the simplest thing. So I don't run 2 fuel filters. I run a big one, 10 micron filter, called 10 micron filter out a bunch of particles. The higher the number, it filter out the less. The lower the number, the more particles it'll catch. So if it's 100 micron, you know, it's gonna filter out bigger debris. If it's like a 10 micron, it's gonna filter out real small and big debris. But you might have to change them out faster. And that's a 10 micron I got. On typical inline fuel filters, like you get the ones with the case, like that's what mine is. Mine, one of them billet aluminum cases. You can unscrew it and then take it out, take out the filter element. But on a lot of them up there inline, you get, it's a 40 micron. I don't have one up there because I got that nice 10 micron filtering right after the pump. So I'm finna go under there, unscrew that joker, get the filter out, and I'm pretty sure it's dirty. I'm pretty positive. So that's what we about to do. I'm gonna go to Summit. I got to get some stuff, and I'm gonna order some more spark plugs too. We get them on the way, and I think they're gonna get it right there, man. I got a Holly jet kit and jet extensions, and I got all this stuff, man. I got a whole jet kit. So I been had that stuff. Got it a couple weeks ago. So that's what we about to do. I'm finna slide on here on the creeper, man, and unscrew that joker. We're gonna see what surprise, what it look like. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Get that fuel line off. Big, huge water hose. That's what I call it. Water hose. Whole joker. Take 2. Yep. I'm gonna have to use 2 of them. Let me see what side this joker here. Bring all the big wrenches on here, cause I don't know what side this joker is. Yeah, let me go get the other wrench, y'all, cause I got to get that up out of there. Let me see. We won't have to hold that, cause this the end. And on these, this is Summit fuel filter and enclosure. It flows either way. Ain't no inlet or outlet, but they recommend you to put the end with the open end. They recommend you use that for the outlet though. Basically, the end you can take a loose to put the filter in. That's the end they recommend you use for the outlet, but it can go either way. So, good if y'all know. We gonna get the wrenches. Right. I'm hoping one of these big monsters fit it. When I say it's big, it is big, boy. Look at that. That joker there is huge. Yep, boy, this a big one. They always say it's a big one. That joker here, boy. Ooh. Oh, yeah. I ain't think I was gonna have to get my real big wrencher, but this joker here is big, man. It's 1 1/8 inches and it's still one. Boy, that's a monster, boy. God. I'm gonna have to get my big monster adjustable wrench for real, man. This over here. It's 1 1/8 inches. Let me see. Y'all, I gotta get that. I'm gonna have to get another wrench, or unless I got the one to hold the fuel line. And then I can just put the adjustable. Alright, that's the fuel line right there. The fuel line is, let's see, the fuel line is 1 inch. That's fitting. I'm telling y'all, man, this is a monster fuel system. I got thinking about what I really had on here. I said, man, ain't no way. I said, this thing don't need no, ain't starting for no fuel, man. I got some people, basically what I got for my line going to my feed line going to my carburetor is some people, I'm gonna have to get that big adjustment wrench. It won't even fit. It's some people, main fuel line system. I got a -8 going to my carburetor. Come out regulator. -10 all the way there. Trust me, it ain't starting for no fuel. I bet you this joker dirty here. If I can get this joker, oh man, I'm gonna get a wrench just for this car. This joker here big, boy. I'm gonna have to get that big monster adjustable wrench, man. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. God, it turned from that end. I'm gonna have to hold it. Alright, let me go get that. Alright. I bet you they get it off. Look at that, boy. I knew. I bought this thing. I said one day I'm gonna have to use it. One day I'm gonna have to use this thing. I knew it. Today is the day. First time using this joker, man. I said it's gonna be something I'm gonna have to use this on. And here it is. Still coming up. I don't want you to spill that. Yeah, tank. Alright. Let's see if we can check there. Need a pan. Man, I know what. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, today, I'm buying me a pan just for gas. Cause I got a catch pan, but you know it done had everything else in it, so that's out when it comes to the gas. I'm buying me one just for gas. I ain't gonna sit right here and wait on this one. I don't think. Screw that open. Then call it a day. I ain't gonna wait all day. Can't be so cold, boy. Whew. Cold. Oh, with my glove. Come on with it. Going all them little glove, huh? I would not have no glove on. Ah, shit. One thing about gas, I'm glad it dry up fast. Not too bad. Alright. I got a little something. Quicker I get this out the dinner. Whew, burn, boy. Gas, boy, set you on fire, boy. That's gonna irritate your skin. Well, yeah, I'm gonna catch on fire in a minute, boy. Come up my skin. Man, what in the hell? Well, shit, man. Alright. I get the whole thing won't come out there. Well, shit. Let's come on. I'm gonna get up anyway. This won't burn the mess out my skin. It's easy to work with. I'll take the whole damn thing. Ah! I'm a creeper, boy. I'm making a mess, man. Bullshit, yeah. Bad, y'all. Ooh, I gotta get up. It's down here burning, boy. Yeah, it got me on fire for real. All right, checking in. So I got the filter element out. So when I take it up there, I can make sure I got the right thing, man. But I told y'all wrong. I look, this is a 100 micron filter, so it looked clean, but in them crevices, it's some stuff in them crevices. It's just so tight, man. It's a and it's a 100 micron filter. I thought it was a 10. It's 100 though. But I can tell when I pulled it out, I said, look at it. Let me see. You can't even see it now. You can't see it now, but it's stuff in them crevices right there. But I'm gonna change it, and you can't wash these. Some people say you can wash them, but I wouldn't. I just change them, man. It ain't. Come on, they ain't that high. They $20-some, $25. So I would just replace it with what I'm finna do. See, I don't know if y'all can see. You can see some right there. I don't know if you can see it good up in there. Y'all, it's gonna be hard for y'all to see, but right there, it definitely, it's some stuff in it. So I'm finna go get 2 of them, and I have an extra one. And I just screwed it back on there, under there for now, so it ain't dripping. And I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We'll get to Summit. Checking in. So look, made the Summit trip yesterday. Got back. Me and wife got too busy. We were scrambling. So y'all see all my AC stuff. I've been here. Them my AC parts, brake part cleaner. But I got this right here for Big Dolo. Cause man, like I said, I've been had that Amazon radiator for a long time, man. It's just higher speeds when you're on the highway. What people don't realize, like with a water pump becomes less efficient at higher RPMs. Which I ain't know that, man. Shout out to my friend Rick. He told me, he put me on game on that. I thought it was vice versa, but it's true. They become less efficient at higher RPM. Now you can get different water pump with different impeller designs, and that'll help. Which eventually I am gonna change the water pump on Dolo. I'm gonna change it, go to a different impeller design, and make the cooling system even better. But that radiator that's in there, man, it did the job. It's a great radiator, but it was originally for the budget engine. And when I was driving that car, like I said, it was in the cooler months. Cause think about it, when I remixed it and then nobody know, it was in August, September. So it was cooler months, man. I drove it all through the winter and all that. So outside temperature, now we're seeing 90s and stuff like that. It'll try to go up. It's not running hot. It just, you have to bring the RPMs down, calm it down. But look at this, monster. Same one I got in Meats. Meats got extra cooler, big cooler system on everything. This joker here wide. Yeah, that joker is wide. So you can get that put in Dolo and all that. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on, man, in a minute. Finna holler at y'all.